I'm going to start off by priming my eyes with my Too Faced Shadow Insurance Primer. I'm using my Morphe James Charles palette, and first I'm picking up Ring Light to highlight my brow bone. Now I'm taking the shade B with my Morphe M513, and this is going to be my transition shade. And I'm going to be taking Social Blade with my Morphe M514, and I'm concentrating this in my crease and blending it up. I'm going to be deepening the crease with Daddy and my Morphe M507. I'm picking up the shade Cola with my Morphe B38, and I'm concentrating this closer to the crease, and I'm also adding it to the outer lid. Then I always like to take the fluffier brush once again and blend everything out. I have my Maybelline Master Concealer and my Morphe M170 brush to cut out the crease. I'm bringing in the Morphe B38 once again to blend out the edge of the concealer, even though I'm not adding more product to it. Now I'm taking the shade Mean from my Urban Decay Full Spectrum palette, and I'm using my Makeup Forever 224 brush. And with the same brush, I'm taking a Capella from the James Charles palette, and I'm adding it to the outer lid. Now I'm going to smoke out the lower lash line with my Morphe R43 and the shades Social Blade and Daddy. Now I'm using this NYX pigment in the shade Diamond to highlight my tear duct. I'm going to be adding a little bit of glitter to my tear duct, and this glitter I actually got in Mexico. Now I'm curling my lashes with my MAC eyelash curler. And I'm tightlining my eyes with my Wet n Wild pencil liner and Baby Scott Black. And here I have the Carl's Jr. Tater Tots. For my waterline, I'm using my LA Girl Glide Gel Liner in the shade Limelight. And now I'm adding mascara to the lower lashes. For my falsies, I'm using the EYLURE lashes in the style Marquise. Alright, and that's it for the tutorial. I hope you guys give these looks a try this St. Patrick's Day or just whenever. If you guys have any questions or requests, please let me know in the comments down below. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. I'll see you guys next time.